Ifeanyi Ejiofor, the lead counsel to Nnamdi Kanu, the detained leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, Ipob, has stated that the Kanu enjoined IPOB followers to proceed on a fast ahead of his trial on October 21st. Ejiofor, in an update obtained by Sahara reporters on Thursday, added that Kanu and the legal team were confident of victory and no excuses would be tolerated from the Department of State Services. The lawyer also debunked different rumors, including that Kanu had been flown by the Nigerian government to China and Israel. Ejiofor noted that Kanu was strong and ready to appear at the Federal High Court in Abuja on October 21st. The IPOB leader's lawyer said, as the D-Day approaches, the legal team is not leaving any stone unturned towards ensuring that all the T's are crossed and I's dotted. It was indeed an eventful visit, as our indefatigable client found as laughable the series of false narratives being spread to the public domain, ostensibly sponsored by the agents of darkness who are very deep in their dream to prevent his appearance in court and to create a state of panic in the minds of his followers. Prominent among the falsehood desperately championed by mischief makers is the trending subject that our dear client Nnamdi Kanu has been flown to China, and from China to Israel, and from Israel to Katafi, and so on. Well, we know the purveyors of this fake news, and they are aware that evil conspiracies are dead on arrival. Onyendu was equally amazed by another fake news that was making headline in some social media quarters, that he was asked to sign any documents before regaining his freedom. This is total falsehood, and is urging his esteemed followers to please ignore this falsehood. Above all, our indefatigable client is strong and tenaciously holding firm in spirit. He is ready for the 1st October 2021 appearance in court. This day is sacrosanct and shall remain so. Nothing will hinder that day. He is very much prepared. Thankfully, the federal government of Nigeria is fully aware of this date, and more compelling is the fact that the detaining authority has since over a month ago concluded every purported investigation into the matter. Hence, no plausible excuse will be available to them not to produce Onyendu. Nnamdi Kanu in court come Thursday, the 21st of October 2021. You must all see him live and direct on these dates. Our client Onyendu Nnamdi Kanu urges millions of his followers and supporters to continue to conduct themselves and carry on within the ambit of the law, as you all have always done. More strikingly and condemnable is the fact that your solidarity has remained unshaken against all intimidating circumstance, and for this he is deeply grateful. Onyendu advised his supporters and millions of followers to go into dry fasting as the D-Day approaches, because the resounding victory will be ours as these dates, and the Almighty Chukwu Kike Abiyama will be given the glory and adoration in the end. That's a good one. That is a good one. Justice shall prevail. No matter how it's going to be delayed, it shall prevail. God Almighty Chukwu Kike Abiyama, we set you and all Biafrans free. God bless you, Nnamdi Kanu, mouthpiece of the voiceless Igbo masses. We have those who are being paid millions just to protect their people, but they can't do it. They pocket all the money, all in the name of being elected, and yet they do nothing for their people. With all this noise, when does Ejimako have time to prepare for the case? A case that is still on hearing stage, and is talking about victory, using Bingo's brain to drink Gary. I have said it before that no serious lawyers would want to have anything to do with Nnamdi Kanu, because to work with them, you have to play to their emotions, just like this called Ejimako. Sound legal representation is not for iPunk. I don't know what this one is saying. They are fantasies So you have to give them fantasy, really? Well, he wants to keep the bingos busy. He doesn't talk like a lawyer. Kanu haven't taken plea in the court and the lawyer is talking about victory. What kind of lawyer is that? So with the fasting, court will release him without going into the trial. Maybe you are getting it all wrong. You are getting it all wrong. Your hatred won't let you read. The post said Ejiofor, why you are here writing Ejimako. Now, who is the real bingo if not you? I'm surprised though. I wonder. Because they don't listen, because they don't read carefully, because they already have a mindset. So irrespective of what is going to be said, it is, coming from one side, going as of the other side. May God hear and respond to it as due. Prayer is the master key. Whatever you said must be done because you have never disappointed us and all your prophecies have been fulfilled. But remain one, which is the restoration of our fatherland, Biafra. I hope that after this dry fasting that Elohim will do the needful. We are resolute. We are resolute. Yes, so prayer is the master key. Okay. The global family of IPOB are on it already. We are very strong in spirit and patiently waiting on the 21 to see how all the Eastern leaders will be banished if our supreme leader is not presented in court. It is laughable. It is laughable that the government is pussyfooty on whether to bring Nnamdi Kanu or whatever. They want to use some delay tactics. Don't be surprised, they've already planned their way out, but they are looking at the environment, the situation of things on ground. We will do anything, he says, having known he is a prophet also. This dry fasting is necessary, individually or collectively. We will not do it. We will do it. So I will want those to announce a date for commencement of this dry fasting and prayer. This battle is now gone spiritual, and we must correct or reconnect with heavens to achieve Nnamdi Kanu's release and Biafra freedom. One thing about these people are doing their own. You are there condemning them. They are doing what they know how to do best, and you are in another side. The government that you are supporting, the government that you are hoping to whatever, making your life uncomfortable, and you don't even know how to go about it. These guys have already, I don't know how to put it. They've already taken their own path, and you are there castigating them. What do you stand for? Let them do what they want to do. What you are not. You are neither here nor there. You are not with them, but you're always castigating them. Then who do you believe? You believe in the government, and you said what they are doing is not right, and you believe in the government that is making your life uncomfortable. The same thing you are suffering is what they are suffering, and they have been able to channel their own cause. Yeah, you are there abusing them. I mean those who are always abusing the Biafrans and the IPOB, because I don't understand. Showore will come say, oh, this is what we want to do, all in the name of we want better place, better things for our people. You will still come and castigate him. Which kind of people be all these ones? Me, I don't even understand. I can't just fathom it. You complain about it, but when it comes to Boko Haram, maybe you are comfortable with them or the bandits. So guys, leave your comment down there below and let's have your take.